Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so this is my last shopping haul series to show you, and then I'm going to show you how to cook all the items that I have shown you on all the videos. So I did a video on haddock fish, spare ribs, chicken legs, and then I did one on shrimp, and now this last one is scallops. So the scallop video, I went to my local grocery store, Market Basket, and I got two containers of scallops. One container weighs 0.95 pounds. That's almost a pound, close to it. And it was $21.84. Okay? And this one was 0.98 pounds, and it was $22.53. Okay? And I wanted to include seafood because people think that they can't eat seafood because they say it's so expensive. Seafood is no more expensive than a roast or steak. It's not. It's just how you manage the seafood, how you break it down, how you make it work for you, how you stretch your buck. Okay? So I'm going to show you that. Alright. So what we're going to do is I'm going to divide the scallops up for a family of 4, and then I'll show you how much it would be for a family of 2. Okay? Alright, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the container that's saying $21.84. Okay? So the total between the two prices, one for $21.84 and one for $22.53, that came to $44.37. I know you're saying right now, oh, that's a lot. Well, not really, because I'm going to show you how that's not a lot. Okay? Alright, let's do it. So I'm going to open the container that's $21.84 first. And I'm going to put, I need another plate. Okay, I'll use this bowl. I'm going to dump it out into the bowl here. And let's put a pile of 5 in each pile. I want 4 piles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I have some left over, so let's put one on each pile. 6, 6, 6, 6. I even have some extra. I'll just put the extra right in the middle. So, you can see 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, can eat 6 scallops. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the idea? Can eat 6 scallops each on their plate. Okay? How about that? So $22 for a scallop seafood dinner is very reasonable, right? Okay, so let's say that it's only 2 of you. Okay, so 2 people, you would eat for half that price, right? So you would eat for $10 and something. But what if you took the scallops, let's say just these 2 portions here, which is 12 scallops, and made a casserole, or made stuffed scallops, you can very well see how you can stretch your buck. But I'm going to show you, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to bag up the scallops in the groups that we see here, groups of 5. That way it gives you options of what you want to do with it. You know, if it's just you eating, then you can pull out a bag. If it's okay, well maybe we'll put it in 2 bags. Okay, let's do that for the sake of the video. So we have $10. I got the extra in the middle here. I'll just put a couple of those in there. All right, so we have $10 worth of scallops in 1 bag. Okay, so that's all you need to pull out if it's 2 people. If it's 3 people, you're gonna pull out the 2 bags, which would be over 24 scallops, right? Now you can't beat that, 24 scallops for $22, was it $21.84. If you go and get a scallop dinner, it's going to cost you more than that for 1 person. And I'm not saying that you have to eat scallops every day or nothing like that, but you do need to make sure that you get a variety in your system of foods, okay? Because each food, each meat, each seafood brings a different, some different vitamins and minerals and stuff like that to the body, okay? Okay, so here's the other container. This is the one that's $22.53. We're going to do the same thing. Oh, wait. I need some place to put it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we have a couple of extra here. I'll put right in the middle. So here we got our 6 again. So the bottom line is, for $44, you're going to be able to have, if it's a family of 4, you're going to be able to have 2 scallop meals, or if it's 2 in a family, you're going to be able to have 4 meals. Or if you stretch it into a meal like I'm going to show you when I start cooking, then you're going to see how you're going to make much more than the 2 or 4 meals. Okay? So we're going to bag that up. And some of the meals, we're going to have a seafood dinner with it, because you remember we bought the haddock and we got the shrimp and we have the scallop. That's a seafood plate all day long. Okay, this one, instead of putting the 12 in one bag, I'm going to separate it so that I can have it already separated to show you what you can do. Now, just because you bag it separately does not mean that you can't cook it all at the same time. That's up to you. But at least if you separate it out in the beginning, you have options. Right? So like a person that is a single person, they may just need one bag. Okay guys, so stay tuned to see what creation we can come up with our scallops. 2 pounds of scallops yield a lot of scallops, because this is 24 scallops here and 24 scallops here. Now you can't go wrong. That's pretty good, right? Okay. So let me conclude. Okay, so I'm going to conclude with a word of the day on this last shopping haul video. And that is, you know, sometimes we just need someone to show us or put the idea in our head, or give us an example to go by, and we can then go ahead and duplicate this, right? So since you're going to do it for your house, I want you to show others, your other family members, and help them along so that we can spread this word, because the groceries is really high now, and we need to figure out how to survive but still eat the same way. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so stay tuned for all the cooking shows that I'm going to be cooking to show you what I'm going to do with all of my shopping haul. So the shopping haul that I did when I purchased the haddock, ribs, and chicken, that came to $104, and the scallops and shrimp, that came to a total of $60. So the total altogether is $164 worth of meat. And I guarantee you, if you follow the video, you will not have to go back to the store and buy any meat at all for at least 1 month, if you follow the videos. Okay, so that's pretty reasonable. Some people pay $164 in a week, and you have maybe 2-3 packages of meat. And I've shown you how to get enough to definitely get you through, so that you can see how you can do this from now on. Okay? Alright, I look so forward to serving you. And give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Scallops.